Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. My name is Afsha. I am IELTS spoken in English PTE instructor and trainer. So given information in detail and clear, achieve good bands, scores, different types of language test. Practice is must for success in any task and good learning in any test. So try again. Don't think lose your target. If you have hope for success for your any task. Now we discuss computer delivered IELTS and 10 things very important. 10 things you need to know. Number 1, you get a pen and paper. Very important during your test. Number 2, there is a sort of on-screen tools. If you know all the screen tools are some screen tools, so attempt your test very easy. Number 3, you can move around within sections. This option is very easy. If you want to move front or back, so very easily. Number 4, no need to count words because front of the page given counter, so no need to count words. Already words are counted. There's a timer on the screen. You no need to extra watch because front of the screen and top of the page given your timer and already noted your time. Number 6, you don't get to extra 10 minutes in listening, but depend to your listening power. Number 7, all capitals no. No need to use all capitals during test in written condition. You get number 8, you get headphones. Headphones are very important in all computer based test. Number 9, no official break during your test. Number 10, the speaking test is not on the computer. Thank you.